Hello, Flower Glamorous and Cooking with Beverly family. Hey, and I'm Beverly. Glad you came today. Hope you learned something. This channel is about flowers, cooking, reviews, just helping each other, showing love. That's what we're here for, to bless others with the knowledge that we have received. And I hope today we'll be able to bless someone and to help them on their YouTube journey, that you will be blessed and prosperous. And as you enter in, please remember to subscribe to this channel and also ring the notification bell and give me a thumbs up. I would appreciate it. But today's video is about, does a premiere get more views? People have been going back and forth about what does a premiere does and how does it help, and should I have premieres or should I not have premieres? But I am here to tell you today that premieres do work, and premieres and lives will really help you get more views on your channel. Whether or not you premiere every video, it's up to you. Some people do. They do a premiere for every video that they have. But when you have a premiere, that's engagement. And you want that engagement into your channel, in your video, by that premiere. The premiere also gives you more views than just straight uploading your video. What is a video premiere? It is a public or a private, your public or private video. You know, when you upload your video, they're private. Then you make them into public. And you will get, your subscribers will be notified about your premiere. It's your same video, but you're just uploading it in a different way. It's sort of in a platform like a live, because on the right side of your screen, you will have the chat. And that chat, don't overlook the chat. The chat is very important because you're engaging in conversation with the people who come to your live. And you need that for your retention. Okay, like I said, there is a chat box, and your video needs to get engagement. YouTube looks at the engagement, and it boosts your video by your engagement. And your engagement will consist of the likes, even the dislikes, the comments, the share, the cards that are up in the right or the left or down below that you have on your video, and your end screen. That is very, very important. YouTube looks for the engagement that you get in the first hour to 2 hours. That is your most important time frame for YouTube in the analytics. Have you noticed that sometimes if you go in the back and go to your dashboard, and when you have uploaded a new video, if you go back there after an hour or so and to check your views, sometimes if your views are more than the views for a preceded video, if your views in that allotted time is more, you see like little graffiti falling down. You know, they have like a little confetti, can't talk out, falling down. So you will be aware that you have more views for that video in the first hour or 2 hour time frame. So that is what, if you upload a video in that first hour or two, that time frame is very, very important. And your retention, and in that time, say your video is for 5 minutes, and you get a certain amount, like you get 2 likes or 1 comment, and you only get 2 people to look at it, then for 5 minutes and only 2 views, then your retention will be 20%. You need to go to your back and check out your retention rate on your videos, because you need your retention rate from 30% on up to 50% is pretty good. Some says 50% to 60% is what YouTube look at, but you want to get more than 30% for your retention rate. Your audience retention, that's what is so important. And you want, some people say 40 to 50, but you want it more than 20. And that is how your video is boosted on YouTube, how it gets to be uplifted. And when you do a premiere for your video, YouTube does the promotion. It puts it up, you know, that it will be a premiere. Say, I'm going to premiere this at 11 a.m. They'll put it up on the recommended part of the page that you will have a video up at this time. And, you know, they'll send notifications to your subscribers that you have a premiere coming up. And also, 30 minutes before your premiere, they will send another notification. And 5 minutes before the premiere, they send another notification. Then you have the 2-minute countdown. So your subscribers have ample opportunity to come and watch your video at the premiere. And that is good. So remember, they will send a notification 30 minutes before the video, and then 5 minutes before the video. Some people didn't realize that and didn't know that YouTube does that, but they do. And then you have the 2-minute, you know, where they be doing the 2-minute countdown. Okay, premieres won't magically get views. They won't magically get views, because if you premiere every one of your videos, sometimes it can get a little old and people won't come to your premieres because you premiere too many. And some people say that they want to premiere maybe once or twice a month, so they can have an audience that they know will come and watch their premieres. Or when you have something that you know is going to be you give that a premiere. Poll your community to see how they feel about your premieres. If they want you to premiere every video you put up, or if they just want you to premiere a video once or twice a month, or 3 times a month. Whatever your audience is looking for is what you need to do, because you don't want to get people where they don't want to come and watch your premieres, because here he or she go again. Every time they upload a video, it's a premiere. People get burned out. Like, you know, people get burned out on lives. I've gotten burned out on lives. You got to be careful of how you do it, because you can overdo it. You can overplay it. So you wanted to have it that, you know, when you have a premiere, that someone is there and you wanted to engage in the conversation. You don't know how important that chat is to your right. Engage in that and with the people who come into your premiere. Talk to them. Have them to talk back to you. YouTube looks at that engagement and it helps to boost your video. Those are some nuggets that we just didn't know. We didn't know there. And YouTube algorithm, you know I can't say it. You know I can't say it. But it ranks videos based on the audience retention. Your audience retention is so important. And if you are interested in knowing more about retention your audience retention and how to find it and what to look for, leave me a comment below to let me know that you would like to see a video on audience retention, because that is very important. And those who have been monetized, please go back in your back office, in your dashboard, and look into your audience retention. Check out your videos and see each video. You can see your audience retention for that video, and you need to get more in tune with that. It will boost your channel. You can see where the people are just dying out at, what you need to do, how you can accomplish to get more people to watch your videos for a longer period of time. So in other words, premieres are excellent. Premieres are like lives. You get more views for your premieres, but don't overdo it. Don't burn people out with the premieres that they gonna be saying, oh Lord, here comes another premiere from so-and-so. Don't do that. And some people are saying, I'm gonna do a premiere for every one of my videos. That's your choice. You go ahead and do it. Or you can just do premieres a couple of times of the month. Again, do a poll and ask your people how they want you to go about doing premieres. And another nugget, don't let your premieres be too long. People get burned out there also. So consider the time, get to the point, tell them what they need to know, and to go on. I thank you so much for coming and watching this video, and let me know if it has helped you in any way, shape, form, or fashion. But please remember to do premieres. If you don't want to do it for every video, do it a couple of times a month, and you will see the difference in your views and how it will boost you and help you, because likes, dislikes, comments, share, they are all very important, and you need to be promoting it, boosting it, talking about it in your videos. Thank you for coming, and everyone have a blessed and prosperous day.
Getting ready for my miracle, getting ready for greatness, getting ready for my heart's desire. I'm growing into a flower and glamorous. Getting ready for my miracle, getting ready for greatness, getting ready for my heart's desire. I'm growing into a flower and glamorous. Getting ready for my miracle, getting ready for greatness, getting ready for my heart's desire. I'm growing into a flower and glamorous.